You know what most people think about confidence? They think confidence is something you're born with. Like some people just have it and some people don't. But let me tell you something, that belief is completely wrong. Yes, that belief is completely wrong. Confidence is not a personality trait, it's a skill. Yes, it's a skill. And what does skill mean? It means it can be learned, it can be practiced, and it can be built. You got this. Yes, it can be learned, it can be built, it can be practiced. That's it. Yeah. So hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that how I became confident. So let's jump into the video without wasting time. Okay, first let me tell you that what actually confidence is. Confidence doesn't mean you're never scared. Confidence doesn't mean you're perfect. It simply means that you're willing to try. You're willing to try to do things. See, the more you try, the more you do things, even when you're uncomfortable, the more confident you will become. Yes. So basically, repetition is the key. The more you repeat an action, the less scary it feels, and over time, you will feel stronger from inside. As simple as that, my honey. Yeah. Okay, let me share a real example from my own life. Earlier, I used to feel very scared booking a Rapido ride. Okay, I used to feel very nervous, and the very first time I booked a Rapido ride, I was literally overthinking everything. But I have to book it because my home was too far from that location. But I booked it, okay? And I did it again. I did it again, again and again, again and again. And the more I traveled, the more familiar it became, and the less scary I felt. Now, now I feel free. It feels normal. Yes, and that fear that once controlled me doesn't control me anymore. And that is confidence. Yes, that is confidence means reputation, my honey, reputation. That's it, my honey. You have to push yourself. You have to push yourself anyway to do things. Try doing things. Then you will feel confident. Like over time, you will feel confident. Yeah, as simple as that. Excuse me. Okay, now I want to share my personal experience. From my childhood, I didn't even know what the meaning of the word is, like confidence word. I don't know. Okay, and I didn't know that what being confidence actually meant. But one thing I knew for sure, I wanted to be bold, I wanted to be brave, I wanted to be seen. Yes, I used to imagine myself a lot that I imagined myself standing out. I imagined myself to be in the center of attraction because I love the idea of people noticing me. I want people to see me. Yeah, because I love presenting who I am. I love that who I am becoming, and I love this feeling also. And yeah, for sure, I want to become a successful woman in my life, and there is no shame saying that. Okay, basically, that imagination slowly became my direction. Yes. Now let's talk about that why most people lack confidence. So the very first thing is fear of being judged. Most people are scared of what others will think about them. They imagine people laughing, criticizing, talking behind their back, and just because of this fear, they stop themselves before even trying, right? But to be honest, people don't care. People are just busy doing their own things and their own stuff. And even if they do care, why do you care about them? Why do you think? Why do you overthink, my honey? They don't care. They don't care. Trust me, they don't care. Second is comparing yourself to others. When you constantly compare your journey to someone else's highlight reel, you will automatically feel less confident. And you almost forget that how far you have come. Yeah, and yeah, you will feel less confident. Why do you do that? Why? And you start focusing on what you don't have yet. Why? Be grateful, always be grateful whatever you have till now. Third is perfectionism. Some people just don't start because they want everything to be perfect. They wait for the perfect moment, perfect time, perfect confidence, perfect skills. But perfection is just an excuse that stops growth. Listen to me. Nothing improves unless you start messy. Got this? Good boy, good girl. Nothing improves unless you start messy. Fourth is negative self-talk. The way you talk to yourself matters a lot. If you keep saying I'm not good enough, I can't do this, your mind starts believing it. Confidence first dies in your own thoughts. So please, my honey, please stop doing negative self talks. Start saying that you're good enough, you're confident, you are the most prettiest and handsome man or woman in the whole world. Yeah, that's it. And please stop doing negative self talks. Fifth is past failures or traumas. Past experiences can make you doubt yourself, right? If you failed once, your mind tells you that you will fail again, right? But one failure doesn't define your capability, it only shows that you tried, right? You tried, na? At least you tried. That is more than enough, my honey. Yeah, this is for you. You tried. That is more than enough. And keep trying, please. Okay, there's one truth that I want to tell you guys, and literally nobody will tell you this. See, people can guide you, people can motivate you, people can tell you what to do and how to do it, but at the end of the day, you have to do it. You have to do it. You have to be the one putting yourself in uncomfortable situation and unexpected situations. You have to do, like, you have to be the one doing the thing that you are scared of, right? So you have to do everything by yourself. You have to push yourself anyway, even when you feel don't ready, even when you feel scared, even when you feel even when your voice shakes, even when your hands shake. No, you have to push yourself. Yeah, please ask one question to yourself. Ask yourself, do you want people to say she's lucky or he's lucky, that's why she got all of this? No, we want people to say she worked hard, he worked hard, you worked hard, right? This is what we want. Not luck, but effort, right? Ask yourself this question. Do you want people to say she's lucky or he's lucky? No. Okay, now I'm ending this video, but remember one thing, everything you want wants you more. And the confidence you dream of is waiting for you to show up. So show up, try, speak English, do what you want. You know, feel that confident. Like, feel confident. Fake it till you make it. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful and even you like this video even a little. Just hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Yeah, and drop a cute comment in the comment box. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.